Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Klarna's recurring payments. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. The first is to set up recurring payments. So how you want to do this is to first log into your Klarna account through the website or the mobile app, and then you want to go to the payments tab and select recurring payments. Now you want to add a recurring payment by clicking on the add new recurring payment, and then enter the payment details, including the payment amount, the payment frequency, the recipient's detail, and of course the payment date. Now you can just confirm this by reviewing the payment details and just confirming the recurring payment plan. Now when it comes to managing your recurring payments, there are a couple of things that you can do to manage that. Of course, the first is to view recurring payments. So you can just go to the recurring payments tab to view a list of all of your recurring payments. And of course, you can also edit the recurring payments by clicking on the recurring payments to edit its details, including payment amount, frequency, and date. Of course, you can also cancel recurring payments at any time by clicking on the recurring payments and then select cancel to cancel it. And of course, you can also pause recurring payments. You just got to click on the recurring payment plan and then select pause to temporarily pause that recurring payment. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below to know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.